What if the best life you could wish for is this one you will live again? Probably anything you can dream of is present in this uniqueness. The refreshing properties of sunrise, the warm beauty of sunsets, the horizons, the patterns, reflections, the weather, the busy roads, blooming plants, sea waves, night skies. These are all so much precious. Most of the time we complain about a lot of things, but ever wonder being alive is a gift which was given by purpose. Don't waste it. Live. So I've waited quite a lot to get this one. Now it's finally here. It's a Mini 2 from DJI, capable of doing 4K at 30 fps, having a weight of 249 grams. It can get up to 500 meters of elevation and covers a massive 400 kilometers of distance. Although you can go further than that as long as the remote control maintain the connection. Now I can see my surroundings with a whole new perspective, and every time it looks kind of different. So for the initial stages I did some practice, and after a few more try I was ready to go.
Take off. Home point updated.